What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I drove like 200 miles to Oklahoma City to pick up a car on some bald ass tires on my truck. And I just got back and it's on the trailer. I'm pretty excited to get out there and unload this thing. So it's kind of like a spur of the moment type of deal. The guy got a hold of me and said, hey, I got this car, would you be interested? And I actually was really interested. At first, I told him, no, not really. But then I looked the car up and seen what it was, and I changed my mind. So I decided to pick up a U-Haul trailer and head down to Oklahoma City to pick this thing up. The tires on my truck are extremely bald. It probably wasn't a good idea to go tow this car 200 miles from Oklahoma City to Wichita, but I made it. I made it back. The car's outside. I'm excited to get it off the trailer and get it in here. So stay tuned and let's get that car. So I went to get the car out of the trailer and the battery is dead. So I got my battery charger out there, trying to get my extension cord out there too. But I tried doing that California roll-up thing. I think I just put in a bunch of knots because it will not come loose. Take your extension cord and put it in loops like this, and it makes it shorter so it's easier to put away. I think I screwed it up. This is gonna take a while. Here it is, the Nissan Skyline, not really, G37, it's 2009, obviously wrecked. This car is a 3.7 liter V6. I've heard a lot of good things about these motors, so hopefully this one's in good condition and we can make it run a little bit better, but it does have some frame damage, which I plan to fix that. It's mainly just bent from about here back. I don't think our suspension towers were affected any in this wreck, so hopefully those aren't out or off. But yeah, the rest of the body is really good condition. Sorry about the heater, it's kind of loud and it's cold in here, so yeah. The rest of the body is super clean. I think when I get these other body parts ordered and put on the car, they're probably gonna need painted, so this might be the first car that I paint. I don't know what color I wanna go with. I kinda think I wanna go with like a gray, a dark gray, or a dark silver, like maybe like a gunmetal color. But anyways, it runs good. I don't see any smoke coming out of the exhaust. I need to check the oil, see how that looks. It's a little dark, but it's perfectly at the high mark, or the top level. So at least that looks good. I think there's a plastic piece that's supposed to cover the battery that goes right there. Oh yeah, that's definitely, this rubber piece is supposed to be down in here, and then there's supposed to be a cover over that. It's Got some 19-inch wheels on there. These are the stock wheels that came with the car. About 90% sure. Interior, the seats are in good condition. They're not ripped or anything. They need cleaned, as well as the rest of the interior needs cleaned. Got to get an airbag. I'm sure the airbag light's gonna stay on unless I get that fixed. I hate dealing with cars that have airbags go off, but it looks like the driver's airbag is the only one that went off. It's also got the light up Infinity doors. When the battery's hooked up, these right here light up. It's pretty cool. Windows work and everything. The interior definitely needs good cleaning. That looks like it's off a little bit. Armrest needs replaced. They left some goodies in there for me. The guy definitely didn't clean this thing at all. But push that back into where it goes. What is that? Gas. So somebody's gas can, I guess. It's not the preferred gas container holder, but I guess whatever works, right? Throw that in the trash. I haven't looked in the trunk yet. I'm kind of scared to. I feel like the trunk is gonna be horrible. I gotta figure out how to pop the trunk. Oh no, I didn't see that. Damn. How has that even happened? Guess I'll have to figure out something to do with that. Glove box is empty. Man, this guy was full of crap. He said this interior was mint. Okay. This interior doesn't look mint to me. But I still, even with all of its problems and issues, I still like it. And the carpet is savable, for sure. Not like the Miata. If you didn't see the Miata video, I tore out all the carpet in it because it was just trash and garbage. It had holes in it that you could see the floorboard underneath. You could see the metal. So I removed everything from the car and I put bed liner in there. But I'm gonna try to get this trunk popped. I think there's a keyhole. No? I could have swore there was a keyhole. I'm sure it's electric, so I'm gonna have to hook the battery back up. Yep, it's right there. Definitely have to hook the battery back up. Does it work? Yes. Maybe. Doesn't look like it opened, but it did. Oh, wow. It's actually not that bad. It's pretty clean. Ooh, nice spare that's never been used. Got our jack, all that. What is that? I don't even know if I want to touch it. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? That's a nice little surprise. What the hell is that thing? Any ideas what that might be? I think it's one of those things that I really don't want to touch without gloves on. Oh, let me get some gloves and pull that thing out. Ooh, ew. It's squishy. It's like floppy. It's rubbery. That is nasty. You'd think somebody would pull that out before they gave away their car. That's crazy. I don't know what to do with it. nice surprise. Just gonna hang it up over here so I can tell people about it when they come over. Wow. That's the biggest surprise this car has given me so far. This car is definitely worth it. That's going in the thumbnail for sure. The trunk, other than the sex toy, the trunk is pretty nice. It was a good place to keep your sex toys. I don't know if this is the actual crash bar that goes to this car. I'm assuming the other one got completely mangled, because that is completely mangled. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna come out here, I'm gonna start ripping all this these damaged body parts off. I definitely don't think this fender is safable. It's got rust, dented in. The car actually came with a radiator core support. The guy had already ordered one, so it came with that too. So we have the new core support. I think the core support also has these on here. I'm not sure. It's in the bed of the truck right now. I'm not gonna go get it out there and get it tonight. But we got these air filter boxes that are completely smashed and gone. That's cool, because then we can put the long tube air intakes. They have them where they come through and they come to the front of the car for a true cold air intake. And I mean, it's pretty clean. It's not horrible. I wonder if the AC works. Doubt it. But I'm gonna put the charger back on this thing and let it sit overnight. Thanks for checking out today's video, guys. I can't wait to get started on it. This is gonna be a fun project. It's getting late tonight, so that's gonna be it for this video. Can I get a like for that thing? I was not expecting to find that in this car. But anyways, make sure you give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.